Hi, my name is Samantha Underwood, and I was a part of the Amazon Java After Hours cohort in 2022. I decided to take part in this boot camp because I was working in healthcare, and while I enjoyed it, I didn't really have any upward mobility where I was. I worked in an operating room for the last decade, and it was really interesting, but there wasn't a lot left for me to learn there, and there wasn't really any way for me to move forward without undergoing a lot of education.
My name is Malcolm Childs. I'm a graduate of the 2016 Grand Circus Java Apprentice Bootcamp. The bootcamp was about 8 weeks long, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. Before the bootcamp, I was a graduate with a biology degree. Really didn't want to go into anything related to biology. Kind of just got it to like get my family off my back. So before finding Grand Circus, I would say I was kind of lost. So I'm glad I found them. It was a great opportunity. If anybody is in my position and has the opportunity to go through a Grand Circus bootcamp, I highly encourage it.
Hi, my name's Tim Ferrick. I was part of the 2022 Java Amazon Bootcamp at Grand Circus. Before that, I was a manager in food service at a local Dairy Queen, and I took the program as a way to move on to a different career and something that I would enjoy more and could do as a long-term option.
To training. For my background, I wasn't aware that software development was even a career choice. I didn't realize that that was something that I could pursue, and I didn't think it was something that I would be good at once I started becoming interested in it. I thought it was something that was above my skill set. And going through Grand Circus, going to the workshops, helped me realize that it was something I was interested in and that I could potentially be really good at. And had I not had that exposure to Grand Circus, I would have never had the chance to pursue this career because I had been interested in tech for a long time.